If you're searching for a high-quality, health-conscious frying pan that is both durable and non-stick, this Sensarte Nonstick Ceramic Frying Pan Skillet might be exactly what you need. This 8-inch skillet is designed for the modern kitchen, offering a PFAS-free, natural ceramic surface and an induction-compatible base. With its lightweight, durable design, heat-resistant handle, and non-stick capabilities, this pan is crafted to elevate your cooking experience. Why choose the Sensarte Nonstick Ceramic Frying Pan? This ceramic frying pan has gained popularity for a reason. From a smooth, super non-stick surface to a sturdy, heat-efficient base, the Sensarte skillet promises versatility in cooking and peace of mind regarding health. Here's a deep dive into the features that make this pan a standout. Healthy ceramic skillet, non-toxic, safe for all cooks. One of the biggest benefits of the Sensarte ceramic frying pan is its health-conscious construction. Unlike traditional non-stick pans, this skillet is made of natural ceramic, free of PFOA, PTFE, PFAS, lead, and cadmium. This means that even at high temperatures, it won't emit harmful toxins. Plus, it has received SGS certification, further verifying that it's safe for daily use. Imagine cooking worry-free, knowing that the pan's surface won't contribute unwanted chemicals to your meals. Outstanding non-stick performance. The Sensarte frying pan's super non-stick surface is ideal for creating flavorful meals with minimal oil. Imagine sliding pancakes or omelets effortlessly off the pan without a mess. Its ultra-smooth surface helps foods retain their natural moisture and flavor, which is particularly beneficial when cooking delicate items like fish or eggs. Compatibility with all stovetops, including induction. The Sensarte frying pan's compatibility with all types of stovetops is a game-changer. The pan's heavy-duty cast aluminum body provides an induction-compatible base that heats quickly and evenly, reducing cooking time and energy costs. If you've ever had to deal with pans that wobble on your induction stove, this pan's stability will be a welcome feature. Cook with confidence, knowing that the base will heat up evenly on any stovetop. Comfortable, heat-resistant handle and tempered glass lid. Safety and comfort are at the forefront of this frying pan's design. The pan features a bakelite handle with a wood grain design that remains cool during cooking, allowing you to safely handle it without needing oven mitts. Additionally, the tempered glass lid provides a clear view of your cooking without the need to lift the lid constantly. This glass cover also helps prevent oil splashes, keeping your stovetop clean. From stove to table, this pan's stylish handle and transparent lid make cooking easier and safer. The Sensarte skillet's non-stick surface makes cleaning incredibly easy. Without rivets in the pan's construction, you won't find food particles getting stuck in hidden spots. Simply wipe the pan with a towel, soap, and warm water, and it's clean in seconds. While the pan is dishwasher safe, hand washing is recommended to maintain the non-stick surface's longevity. What sets the Sensarte ceramic frying pan apart? In addition to its practical features, the Sensarte ceramic frying pan is also well reviewed for its aesthetic design and affordable price. It's rare to find a pan that combines health-focused features, durability, and aesthetic appeal at such a reasonable cost. Home cooks and professional chefs alike appreciate its ease of use and versatility. Final thoughts on the Sensarte ceramic frying pan skillet. The Sensarte Nonstick Ceramic Frying Pan Skillet is an ideal option for anyone looking to invest in a healthier, safer, and more efficient cooking experience. Its non-stick surface is perfect for low-oil cooking. The ceramic build ensures no harmful chemicals, and the induction-compatible base makes it versatile for all stovetops. Plus, the ergonomic handle and tempered glass lid add both convenience and style. This pan is perfect for those who want a blend of healthy cooking, convenience, and a modern aesthetic without breaking the bank. Its combination of features makes it stand out in the market, providing a reliable tool that enhances daily cooking. If you enjoyed this review, like the video, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.